Hey, this is Sandy, and I am coming to you with Simply Earth kind of exclusive. I'm part of the launch team for the newest oil, Blue Tansy. Let me give you some information about it. Blue Tansy is from the chamomile family. It has a beautiful blue color, which I'll show you. So you need to be careful. It can stain your clothes, so you want to make sure that you dilute it. You want to dilute all your oils. There's very few times that you want to use a full strength oil, at least on your body. So the properties of Blue Tansy are that it's an analgesic, it's antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, has antihistamine properties. It's hypotensive, which means that it lowers blood pressure. And it's because it calms it calms your nerves, it brightens the skin, it relieves itching, reduces pain. It may help with lowering blood pressure, which is that hypotensive thing. So the big thing is that it works on the nervous system. And so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to make a beautiful skin oil, with a bunch of other oils, but let me show you real quick. So when you get your oils, they come in this box, which you can recycle, but you want to see, check out the back. It tells you a little bit about the oil, what you can do with it, how to dilute it, and where you can find help if you need, or if you have further questions. Also, I don't ever say this, but I do put it up in my graphics, is that Simply Earth donates 13% of its profits to combat human trafficking all over the world. So, another really wonderful way that they help the world beyond giving us our wonderful oils. So not only is this beautiful body oil going to contain Blue Tansy, it's also going to contain frankincense, and the Simply Earth frankincense is one of my most favorite scents. This is the oil that I really, really loved when I first tried Simply Earth, probably back in 2016. So frankincense is an antidepressant, anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and calming. It's great for scarring, wrinkles, and improves one's state of mind. The next oil is geranium, so like the flower geranium. It's antibacterial, antidepressant. It is an antioxidant, antiseptic, and calming. It's great for eczema, dry skin, and keeping skin soft. Let me put these down so I can pick up the last, but certainly not least, the good old peppermint. Peppermint is a wonderful oil. This has just got so many uses for it. The scent of peppermint is amazing. It is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and invigorating and stimulating. So, you're going to smell it. It's going to raise your mood. It's great for itchy skin, to cool and soothe skin, and great for hives. So let's get to it. What we're going to do is we're going to make this body oil in a 2-ounce container. We are going to use, let me get this open, 10 drops of Blue Tansy. So if you can see, look at how beautiful blue that is. Let's hope this comes out. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you don't need a funnel. I'm just doing it so that I don't make a mess while I'm doing this with you. So you always want to make sure that you cap your oils as well, because they'll oxidize and change the properties of them. You're going to want 10 drops of geranium. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 drops of frankincense. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Some oils come out faster than others, and that is because of the viscosity or the thickness of it. I always tell women that if you have an oil that's really thick, you can stick it in your bra, and your body heat's going to warm it up, but you can put it in your pocket. You can, rub it between your hands and do the same thing. It's just easier to throw it in your bra. Last one is the peppermint. Because this is such a strong scent, you're only going to use 6 drops of this. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. And then you are going to use a half a cup of Simply Earth's body oil base. This is really cool because it contains jojoba oil, almond oil, camellia seed oil, meadow foam oil, and castor oil. And all these oils have their own properties for the skin, whether it be for itchy, dry skin or, you know, keeping things moist or supple or wrinkles or I didn't research that for this video. So I am going to open up this. I have 2 of these little bottles. This is really the reason for the funnel. I can just pour things in and I don't have to be super, super neat. So these are 2 1-ounce bottles of the body oil base. You want to make sure that when you do things with essential oils that you use amber or blue bottles or bottles that you can't see through, because you want to be able to protect the oils, the properties of the oils. You don't want to lose any of the powerfulness, the power of the oil. So you're going to want to shake it up. And this, I can guarantee you this looks even a little blue because, yeah, for sure. Let me see if I can do this real quick. So you can see there's a beautiful blue scent or blue color to it. The scent is really nice. I can smell the blue tansy. The blue tansy smells super floral and herby, and it's just a really nice smell. I smell that above everything else. I can smell the peppermint a little, but it's also, again, real cooling, and it would feel nice, especially in the summertime. So yeah, so you can see my old wrinkly hands a little bit, but yeah, this feels really nice. It goes right into the skin. That has a lot to do with the wonderful base of the oil that is in the body oil base. So anyway, if you have questions, feel free to reach out. You can leave comments below. You can research it yourself. Research yourself is always a good thing as well. You can find more on simplyearth.com. I will put my link below so that you can get a free $45 gift card with the first purchase of your monthly recipe box, which is really wonderful. It just gives you recipes and explanations for what those recipes are for. We want you to use your oils. If you're going to spend money on essential oils, on good quality essential oils that doesn't make you sign a contract for multi-level marketing, you want to be able to use them, and you want to have the knowledge to do that. And when you work with Simply Earth, they send you this amazing hero course that explains to you not only the information about each and every essential oil, but about the body oil base, about the butters that they use, the mango butter, cocoa butter, all of them. You get education that if you want it, it's right there at your fingertips, and it allows you to use them. The recipe box gives you a number of different recipes that have a theme every month. They can be soaps. I think this month is heat and pour soap. They're candles. They're all sorts of different things that you can make. Diffuser blends, a number of things. This gives you the opportunity to find things that you like to do. They're great crafts to do with your girlfriends. They're great crafts to do with your kids. They're all easy. They make learning and using your essential oils really easy, which is one of the reasons why I like Simply Earth. So I will put links below. If you have questions, let me know. I will be happy to help you. I have quite a bit of resources. I came out of a bad multi-level marketing relationship to come to Simply Earth, where I feel at home. So have a wonderful day and take care of yourself. Bye.